Hey guys, I wanted to create a little video on the absolute worst advice for diabetics.
There's a lot of confusion when it comes to managing diabetes. Some advice floating around is downright terrible and can even make the problem worse. For instance, recommending a high-carb diet or sugary snacks to balance blood sugar is the kind of advice that can leave you stuck in a vicious cycle of dependence on insulin and medications. Why? Because it completely ignores the root cause of the issue: insulin resistance. We need to shift the focus from managing symptoms to addressing the underlying problem. You deserve to know the truth so you can take control of your health, not just manage your condition.
So we eat the carbs, it creates the diabetes, it increases insulin.
Ever wonder why treating diabetes often results in episodes of low blood sugar? This happens because conventional treatments like insulin shots and medications focus on forcing sugar into cells, regardless of whether those cells even want more sugar. It's like overfilling a gas tank when it's already spilling over. The result? Blood sugar crashes, leaving you feeling shaky, weak, irritable, or even faint. The real question is, why is this even happening in the first place? These treatments don't fix insulin resistance. They only mask the symptoms temporarily. What your body truly needs is a solution that stabilizes blood sugar naturally, without these dangerous ups and downs.
But then there's a side effect from that, which is hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, okay?
How do you know if your blood sugar levels are out of control? Some symptoms are loud and clear, like excessive thirst, frequent urination, or blurred vision. Others, however, might sneak up on you, feeling constantly tired, experiencing tingling in your hands and feet, or even struggling with unexplained weight loss or gain. But here's the kicker. These symptoms are your body's way of screaming for help. They're not random. They're signs that insulin resistance has reached a tipping point. The good news? By addressing the cause, these symptoms can be reduced or even reversed.
But of course, then the solution to this side effect is to consume 6 meals a day and carry around your little glucose tablets to eat sugar.
Doesn't it seem counterintuitive to treat high blood sugar with more sugar? It's like trying to put out a fire with gasoline. Yet, this is what happens when people are told to consume sugary snacks during a low blood sugar episode or eat more carbs to stabilize their energy levels. The problem lies in a misunderstanding of how our bodies work. High glucose levels aren't just about sugar, they're about insulin resistance. Fixing this issue requires reducing the demand for insulin by cutting back on carbs, embracing healthy fats, and incorporating intermittent fasting. That's the real way to regain control, not by piling on more sugar and perpetuating the cycle.
And then you put on a diuretic, which one of the side effects is insulin resistance. So then it feeds this problem.
You've taken the first step toward transforming your health by learning the truth. Remember, the goal isn't just to manage diabetes, but to regain control over your life. By addressing insulin resistance, embracing a low-carb lifestyle, and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, you can rewrite your story. Stay curious, stay informed, and never settle for advice that doesn't feel right. If you found this helpful, share it with someone you care about. It might just change their life. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health and happiness.
Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I put a link down below for some more information about these connections right here so you can increase your awareness and prevent these issues. Thanks for watching.